To add a predecessors or successors to an activity, click on the activity that dependencies will be added to. Then, using the Select Many mode, select the relevant predecessor or successor activity or number of activities from the WBS. Once selected, in the right-hand panel, click on Add Selected Tasks as Predecessors to add a predecessor. Or similarly, add selected tasks as successors for a successor. To remove a dependency from an activity, make sure that you have selected the activity. And then, in the Predecessors or Successors section, click on the Remove button. An alternative way to link activities and add dependencies is to first select the activity that requires adding dependencies to. Then click and hold on the relevant predecessor or successor and drag it to the Predecessors or Successors section. To change a dependency type, lag, or classification, click on the activity and then click on the Edit button of the Predecessors or Successors. In the Edit Link dialog, you can change the dependency type by clicking on the drop-down list, or add lag or lead by entering a number in the box. The information box is there to describe an information flow or to provide a description of the dependency. Here you can also select whether the dependency is important or assumed. By default, all dependencies are important, and that means that the predecessor will drive the successor. If the project team believe that dependency is no longer important, or where they believe the output from a predecessor can be assumed and the successor won't be driven by the predecessor, therefore a justification should be recorded. When all changes are made, select Save Changes. Once you have added all of the dependencies between the tasks, you can click Reschedule to see how this affects your project dates.